Hey guys, it's your girl Tracy Wiggins with eXp Realty, representing both the beautiful states of Georgia and Tennessee, helping you make boss moves all over the nation, actually. Okay, today I'm going to show you this beautiful home in Smyrna, Georgia. It's roughly 2,000 square feet and it has been recently renovated. I can't wait to show you guys the inside of this beautiful home. This is a stunning 4-bedroom home located at 922 McClendon Avenue, which is within walking distance to the shops at the Smyrna Market Village. Now you're going to love that area. I know I do. That's why I moved to Smyrna, and I live about 10 minutes away from this beautiful home. It has 3 full baths and a half bath. It is a ranch style home. Now pay attention to all the amazing upgrades that they have done within this home. This home is offered at $725K. Listen, I just want to tell you one thing. Welcome home. Now give me that thumbs up to let me know that you really like this video, and be sure to hit the subscribe button to catch all of these amazing home tours that I'm doing for you guys all over the beautiful states of Georgia and Tennessee. Let's go inside. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed that home tour. I know one of my favorite features are the multi-panel sliding door. And so listen, thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if you want to put an offer in this home, I'm ready to help you make that boss move. Thanks for watching.